In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Tableau on Windows 11 in just 5 minutes. So, let's dive right into it. Tableau is a powerful tool for data visualization and analytics, and setting it up is quick and straightforward. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Tableau Desktop and hit Enter. You should now see a list of search results. Click on the very first link that appears. This will take you directly to the Tableau website, which offers a 14-day free trial for first-time users. Once you're on the website, look for the option that says Start a Free Trial and click on it. Next, a form will appear on your screen. You'll need to enter some necessary details here. It's important to fill this out correctly to proceed with the installation successfully. After you've completed the form, look for the checkbox labeled I agree to the agreement. Make sure to tick this box to consent to Tableau's terms and conditions. Once that's done, find and click on the Download Free Trial button. The download process will begin immediately. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder and locate the executable file you just downloaded. Double-click on it to begin the installation process. A new window will open, guiding you through the setup wizard. At this point, you'll see another agreement notice. Please review it and then tick the checkbox indicating you agree to the terms. Now click the Install button. The installation may take a few minutes, so feel free to stretch and relax while you wait. When the installation is complete, you'll see an option to Start Trial Now. Go ahead and click on that. A prompt will appear asking for the email address you used earlier. Enter your email address in the field provided and hit Register. After that, you can click Continue. And that's it. You've successfully installed Tableau on your Windows 11 machine and are all set to begin exploring its features. Open Tableau, and you'll be greeted with a variety of options to start visualizing your data. So, there you have it, a complete, seamless installation of Tableau Desktop on your computer. Remember, data visualization is a powerful way to tell your data's story, and with Tableau, you're now equipped to dive deep into insightful analytics. Enjoy your 2 weeks of exploring Tableau with the free trial and start bringing your data to life.